At SEYMOUR Advanced Technology, we get tasked with a lot of putting small things in small places. We work with a lot of industries where we help them establish a manufacturing floor. A lot of their applications are unique. We have to figure out a way to put them together in a situation where they cannot fail. The Mecademic 500 is one of our key tools in providing that solution to our customers. Currently, we have 5 Mecademic 500s being used in our applications. 4 of them you can see behind me in the 2 assembly cells. The Mecademic 500 is a world-class leading application and precision placement. Plus or minus 5 microns repeatability. It allows us to get into applications that have very small tolerances within the 60, 70 micron level and be able to assemble parts that really for the human eye are past its threshold. The small footprint or small size of it helps in many, many ways. If you had to go out and get something to replace it, we won't be able to produce the machine sizes that we need to solve our customer problem. The machines would be 3-4 times the size. It has an all-in-one encapsulated controller. There's no additional software that you have to get, allowing mechanical, electrical, or computer science engineers to interact with it. Mecademic 500, small footprint, highly accurate, highly repeatable, great service. It's a world-class product.